Assalamu alaikum. I hope all my brother and sister very well. I come back with another tutorial video. So this video only may review video. So before I introduce my YouTube channel name is Crypto and Travel News. Has a two parts. One part crypto related video uploaded in this, and other part travel related video uploaded in this site. If you get any information, please press the subscribe button and press the bell icon. You will receive all notification very fastly. I request to you, please join my Telegram group, which name is BTS Satoshi gift card exchange. Already 152 members available here, so I request to you joining now. And if you code mining, if you want to increase your mining power, please join now. Because of last time of core mining, so if you joining and don't joining and share your hash card and don't and share your gift card. So if you could not, you cannot increase your mining power, and also you can earning properly in core mining. So you already 4 days in your hand, so core will be closed in 12th December. So come to now in joining my Telegram group. Every man share their hash card and gift card, so you also try to this. So if you increase your many of the member could not share their hash could not properly mining, and also they cannot increase your mining. So if you could not gift card, please come to now and also see this video. There is all everything available here. As a gift card, choose one this gift card code. So now আপনারা অবশ্যই জয়েন হন ভাই সাইটটাতে। আর সময় নেই, মাত্র 12টা দিন, 12 তারিখে শেষ হয়ে গেছে, আর মাত্র 4টা দিন বাকি। খুবই দ্রুত যদি জয়েন না হন তাহলে আপনারা এই কয়েনটাকে হারাবেন, ইথিরিয়ামের মতো এবং বিটকয়েনের মতো। এটা ভালো একটা কয়েন ভাই, এটা প্রপারলি সবাই কিন্তু এটাকে নিয়ে ভালো করতেছে। অন্য যাই করুক, সবাই সাজেস্টটা এটা থেকেই আসছে। হ্যাঁ, এখন আপনারা যদি এটাতে সংযুক্ত না হন তাহলে আপনারা বড় ধরনের একটা ধরা খেয়ে যাবেন ভাই। একটু কুইকলি জয়েনিং হন আর এখানে আপনাদের কাজগুলো করেন। সো হাউ টু জয়েন দিস core mining? If you come to my YouTube channel, already 444 subscriber, thanks to you and jazakallah. So come to playlist option and choose this option, core mining registration video. আপনারা এখান থেকে কোর মাইনিং রেজিস্ট্রেশন ভিডিওটা প্লে করবেন এবং প্রত্যেকটা ভিডিও দেখবেন। প্লিজ রিসিভ ইউর gift Bitcoin every day. Many of the member joining, but they cannot properly Bitcoin receive. Some are receiving, some are not. Please properly receive this. Okay. So here is your main site. After you registration properly, then you come to this option, gift card option. Here is all everything gift card here available has. Okay. So I also 50 gift card for you, so please use now. Increase your mining power. So and Twitter account using, you increase your mining power. How to Twitter account use this is very easy. Here is if you want to open a Twitter account, you can easily see this video. So, okay. Another related information available here, increase your by hash card system, and also how to add to MetaMask in your wallet, how to validator in core mining. So also try to it. So if you see this video, you will properly change this, and also you can also totally increase your mining pot, and also every time earning your core coin. সো আপনারা এইসব ভিডিওগুলো দেখে একটু একটু করে আর্নিংটা করুন ভাই, সময় আর নেই। সো নাও আই গো টু মাই মেইন টপিক। This site already preview this LTC mining site claim site is a real site. This site always time pay out every member. So I also first time I also show you payout option. Has every people withdraw from this site. So if you want to claim this option, you can easily withdraw from this site. When you click this transaction option, they go to your blockchain Litecoin address. The address every every time pay outside this site. So I request you, please joining now and keep claim every hour. Okay, and you can also multiply your LTC in this site. So don't waste it in this site. Joining now and every time mining claim now. Okay, other option I also try to site is now busy. It's also blockchain problem. Okay, now I show you how to earning from this site. If you come to this site, you come to down. If you hourly faucet and bonus faucet one time, one day. Okay, and you get 10 bonus when you properly email at this site. You will get a bonus option. Okay, you bonus faucet is a double faucet. Okay, so when you come to this site, you here is a level 1. when you click this option, আপনারা এগুলো একটা ক্লিক করবেন। তো অ্যাপেল আপনারা এখানে সিলেক্ট করে দেখেন অ্যাপেল প্লেটে কোনটা আছে, জাস্ট এইটা। ওকে, নাও নেক্সট। এবারেও প্লেট সরি প্লেট না, প্লেট, এটাও প্লেট, sorry. This my success. When you click this option, you get a 250 LTC. Now if you want to increase your double bonus, you can use this. But when you use this, when you come to this figure or this figure, you can use this, and you balance is to double. Okay, increase your double. Okay, so if you games option, you can choose this any option. You can play these dice, slot, gems, mines, slots, high low, backcast, video poker, wheel fortune. But it's very easy. If you this option, choose this option, here is a 100. Now spin. Okay, you get 3k, your increase your mining power. Okay, so is now wheel for fortune. Okay, wheel for fortune is a contest. If you want to fortune, you can also join this site. And also withdraw, minimum withdraw on 0.05. Okay, when I reach this option, I also pay out option, and transaction fee also show here. You can address this Litecoin and amount. সো আপনারা এখানে এই অ্যামাউন্টটা বসাবেন, এই মিনিমাম হতে হবে, এবং এইটা আপনার ফি কাটবে, এবং আপনার Litecoin অ্যাড্রেসে উইথড্র দেবেন, সাথে সাথে আপনাকে পেমেন্ট করে দেবেন, বেশি দেরি করেন। So I think this video is useful. If you think this video is useful, please like this, and don't forget my subscribe channel. Assalamu alaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.